Okay, now we're about to show you how you can be an administrator on webmail. Firstly, up here in the Google bar, I want you to type in mail admin dot and then whatever your website address is. So in this case, mailadmin.bathvetreferrals.co.uk. The next screen you see is the similar one to when you log into your webmail. It's exactly the same login, and you use exactly the same username and password. If you've been set up as an administrator, this will let you straight in. So graham.avon@bathvetreferrals.co.uk, and then I put in my password, and what I code through to is a very different screen to what you usually get for webmail. So here we are on the left hand side. You can see that there are two important tabs, which are mailboxes and groups. So if we go into mailboxes, I'm just going to show you how to add and delete a new mailbox. So these are the current mailboxes in the group. If I click on add new, I can now create a new email address, and so what I would do is click where it says login and put in the name of the new user. You can see it's already got the @bathvetreferrals.co.uk behind it. So the company policy generally is to have name dot surname @bathvetreferrals. So I've just created one for Jenny there, and then I'd create a password for Jenny, which she can go in and change at a later date. She's all set up there. You can change the usage, the mailbox size if you need to, but I'd leave that at a default. And then if somebody like Jenny has another mail address, like a Gmail account or whatever, and she's needing those emails to be redirected to that account, you can check that box and then put in the new address. So in this case, jennysue@gmail.com doesn't exist, but it's just there for the purposes of this demonstration. Click that to next, and there you are. You've set up that new email address, and you can see, where is it? It's there in the middle, jenny.sue@bathvetreferrals. So that's how you create the address. Now, if you want to create a new group, you can see there are some there created already, but you can press add new to create a new group name, enable it, and then in this instance we're going to call this group Graham's Gang. So this email address would be grahamsgang@bathvetreferrals.co.uk, or whatever your site would be. And then to edit that group, you can click on edit, and you can now just add members. So you click on add member, then click on the drop down to go to the local post office, and then you can choose all of the users currently in Bathvet Referrals. So I've added Kathy Woodlands. You can add another member. Let's pick Dan Odgun if he's there. There's Dan Odgun. So we've added him, and those are the two members for this Graham's Gang email group. So as I say, if you emailed now Graham's Gang at Bathvet Referrals, it would be going to those two different emails. Oh, and I've just added Harriet Bice as well. So I hope that explains how that would exist. Obviously I don't want that, so I will delete it now as a group. What am I doing? Yeah, there we go. I've just deleted that group. And that is how you add a group, and that's how you add mail addresses. As you can see, there are other things that you can do within Mail Admin, but that gives you a pretty much a beginner's insight into how you